The Nemesis drill brings together groundbreaking technology and high-quality manufacturing to produce a peak-performing drill with outstanding durability. Precision drilling with exceptionally low vibration, the Nemesis drill is a premium tool for reinforced concrete and the hardest natural stone. The one-piece carbide tip of the Nemesis drill is embedded directly into the drill bit body, ensuring a permanent heavy-duty bond. This ensures the head and drill fluids form a dynamic unit with exceptional performance when subjected to high impacts and torsional forces. The easy centering tip is perfect for accurate drilling, preventing wonder when starting and eliminating the requirement of pre-drilling. The one-piece 4-cutter carbide cutting head offers the perfect solution to the toughest drilling conditions. The 90 degrees cutting symmetry ensures the Nemesis drill performs with a minimum of vibration and eliminates the possibility of seizing when drilling into reinforced concrete. The 4-fluted spiral ensures drilling loads are evenly distributed down the length of a drill shaft, resulting in low vibration and high performance throughout the life of the drill bit. The rapid clearing of debris from the drill hole ensures the Nemesis drill combines efficient drilling with low wear properties. The 4-flute geometry combined with a symmetrical head work in partnership with the ability to drill precision holes suitable for critical anchor fixings. Nemesis drill bits are engineered for lower vibrations than standard hammer drill bits, reducing the risks of exposure to vibration and increasing trigger time. The use of Nemesis or the MAK4 SDS Max drills combined with a range Makita AVT hammer technology can further reduce his exposure, making them ultimate low vibration partnership. Resolves problems, drills more precisely, lasts longer.